not completely unhealthy.
Are you supposed to be eating healthy?
Supposed to be eating what? Carrots and celery,
All the
You
stars.
are.
broccoli, cauliflower,
You like vegetables though, don't you?
some zucchini,
I don't like
squash. You don't like broccoli? Broccoli gives you stinky farts.
Ashlyn, come here.
Doctor's concerned.
Wow.
Say hi.
She goes, I'm not supposed to have
Say
sugar
hi.
and what's the
Wait.
carb?
What does it do?
Carbohydrates.
It's recording a video.
Oh.
Concerned about
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
What's in the bag?
Is she the right height?
What are those?
She's the right height, yeah, but she's 2 pounds over. So
They have to lose some
you have
weight.
to lose some weight.
No, you don't. You're
Who said
you're
that?
perfect.
Who said
That's
that?
what the doctor said.
That's not what the doctor said.
God, I hate to see what the doctor has to say about me.
I think you're perfect, Ashlyn. What do you think? Yeah.
I think you're perfect.
Now it's your turn.
You just out your mouth.
Even when you do that.
I see there half a cookie fall out. There was a half a cookie.